Hello everyone, how you doing? Simon here, doing a little bit of translation. Chef June, the master, is going to show us today how to make goat kaldereta.
Hi! Mabuhay! Welcome po muli sa howtogreatfood.com. Ngayon magluluto naman ako ng kalderetang kambing. Kambing, ibig sabihin sa Tagalog is goat. Ito po ang ating mga sangkap. Meron po ako ritong 2 kilo na kambing. Patatas, kailangan po yung patatas natin, bababad natin sa tubig para maiwasan yung oxidation. Carrots, sibuyas, bawang, liver spread, lemon juice, green olives, soy sauce, asin at paminta, gagamit din tayo rito ng bell pepper, tomato sauce, kailangan din ng tubig, at mantika.
Well, you've done quite a bit of that in English anyway. Okay, what we've got here is goat. We've got a kilo of goat. There's some little bit of fat on it. There's bone. Potatoes. And I think you said you kept them in water so they don't go brown, basically. Carrots, onion, bell peppers, salt, pepper, olives, green, garlic. Looks like a kind of over a tablespoon there. Liver spread, which usually comes in a small can. Maybe we could show you that later. A little bit of lemon juice, soy sauce, bell peppers, I'm not sure if I said that, and then tomato sauce. Water and a little bit of oil. Let's get moving.
Ang una po natin gagawin, imamarinate po natin yung ating kambing ng lemon juice at toyo. So lalamasin lang natin siya. Kailangan lamang po mga 1 o 2 oras lang natin siya ilalagay sa fridge bago tayo mag-start na magluto.
Okay, so we're going to start off by putting the lemon juice and the soy sauce onto the goat meat. We're going to shrink wrap it, cling film it, or plastic wrap, whatever you call that. We're going to pop that in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour.
Mainit na po yung ating wok. Siyempre, maglalagay tayo ng mantika. Ito na po yung ating minarinate na kambing. Ang gagawin natin, yung ating marinade kanina, itatabi lang natin siya, gagamitin natin siya mamaya. So, ipiprito na natin siya. Lulutuin ko lang siya siguro mga 2 minuto, tapos iseset aside natin siya.
Okay, so a little bit of oil into a nice hot wok. The marinated meat goes in. We're going to just fry this for like 2 or 3 minutes, I think. But we're not going to throw away the extra marination. We're going to use the soy and lemon juice mixture a bit later on.
Ayan po, okay na po yung ating kambing. Itatabi ko na siya. Pagkatapos nito, pupunta na po tayo sa ating susunod na gagawin.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is remove the goat. Obviously not cooked all the way through, just kind of got a nice bit of colour on it. And I think next up we're going to be adding the potatoes and the carrots, which we're going to cook for maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, 2 or 3 minutes. Ngayon po, lalagyan na po natin yung ating patatas at ang carrots. Lutuin ko lang siya ng 2 minuto o 3. Tapos, itatabi uli natin siya at mag-start na tayo mag-isa. Ayan po, okay na po yung ating patatas at carrots. Tabi ko na siya. Ang susunod po natin gagawin, ipiprito rin natin yung ating bell pepper.
Okay, so out come the potatoes and the carrots. Still quite hard, so we're going to be cooking them a bit later again. Now we're going to do the same with the bell peppers. The bell peppers are going to go in right now. 2 minutes, and then they come out, and then we start the whole process back with the meat and some other ingredients.
Ngayon naman po, itatabi na uli natin siya. Tapos po nito, mag-i-start na po tayong mag-isa. Ngayon, mag-a-add lang ako ng konting mantika. Lagay ko na yung ating bawang. Ilalagay ko na rin yung ating sibuyas. Tapos po, i-add na natin yung ating pinirito na kambing kangina. At mag-a-add tayo ng toyo. Haluin ko lang sandali. Ngayon maglalagay na tayo ng tubig. Papakuluan na po natin siya siguro mga 20 to 25 minutes. Once na malambot na siya, pupunta na tayo sa ating next step.
Okay, so the bell peppers came out, a little tiny bit of oil went in. In went the garlic, the onions. Then we put back in the goat, along with the balance of the marination, the lemon and the soy. We've now put water in there, and we're going to cook that on an above medium heat for about 20 or 25 minutes. We want to just get that meat really nice and tender now.
Ayan po, ready na po yung ating kambing. Checkin ko lang. So, malambot na po siya. Ang susunod po natin gagawin, ilalagay na po natin yung ating green olives, paminta at asin. Tapos po, yung ating tomato sauce. Ang ating liver spread. Tapos po, i-add na po natin yung ating piniritong patatas at carrots kanina. Lulutuin ko lang siya ng mga 5 minuto. Tapos po yung panghuli, once na malambot na yung ating gulay, isusunod po natin yung panghuli, yung ating bell pepper.
Okay, so in went the olives, the salt and the pepper, the tomato sauce, the liver spread, and then those carrots and the potatoes that we cooked a little bit earlier. Now you want to cook this for maybe 5 or 6 minutes maybe. You just want to make sure that the potatoes are a little bit soft. And at the beginning, make sure that your meat is nice and tender. So, we cooked ours for 25 minutes, but you might need to cook it a little bit longer. So in about 5 or 6 minutes, we're going to add the last ingredient, which are our bell peppers.
Ayan po, malambot na po yung ating carrots at patatas. Gagawin ko naman, ilalagay ko na yung ating niluto na bell pepper, tapos patayin ko na yung aking kalan. Haluin ko lang sandali, tapos po, ready na po siyang iserve.
Okay, so that's it. We've done it. Off goes the heat. In goes the bell peppers that we've already cooked. Just mix them in. And that is ready to serve. That does look beautiful. Just like you, June. Beautiful.
I agree.
Okay, that looks absolutely amazing. Really, truly scrumptious. Thank you very much to Chef June for showing us how to make that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Ito na po ang ating napakasarap na kalderetang kambing. Muli, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Mabuhay!